people, Samuel Siddiq. My register number is UR16CS148, and in this video I'm going to explain you about my database connectivity using PHP and HTML. So let's go into the video directly. Here I have three things, which is registration form, login form, and forgot password form. Firstly, let's discuss about login form. From the login form, I'll give all these links to go to registration form and forgot password form. So you can see, just I have given this HTML code over here, and then I have given the names to get those names into some variables using PHP. So in this PHP, for connection, we'll use this MySQL I connect then I have given the host name called webtech.carnia.edu, and then my registration number as username and password as my registration number, and database name is also, I have kept the same registration number. So the thing is, when you log in, it should check whether this registration number and password is present in your table. So my table name is sample. So once it is checked, then if the query is running successfully, then if the records are not equal to 0, then it will show login is successful. If the record is equal to 0, then it will be login failed. If the login is failed, then its location will be back into the login.php. Then here for this, I have just made some cookies to store the data of username and password over here, and like I have given the names like register number and all. So register number will be saved for time where which is 24 hours. So I have used this checkbox, and then I have named it as check. So let's go into this registration now. Here also I have given some HTML code which gives out the detailed text boxes to enter the data into it. And then in the PHP, I have just connected to the database, and then I have just given the query like insert into that table from getting the values from the text boxes. So I have just used echo to print those all, and then I have given this status MySQL query to run that query. If that is true, then user will be added successfully, or else it will be failed. Then if we go to forgot password thing is nothing but just changing the password, which is update the table with the new password using this password. So I have used SHA1 so that it will be updated directly over here. Let's run this and see now. So I updated my FileZilla, so it will be easy to host with me in webtech.carnia.edu. So I'll just type it, webtech.carnia.edu as 16CS148. I have the folder called sample, and then the thing is, the first PHP file will be my login.php. Once I click on it, this login page will be coming. So I have already did it, so my remember me will do this remembering the password and data for this one. So if I go to registration form, I'll just give something like Samuel, and then registration number and sam@gmail.com, and then give some random phone number, then enter the data, then the user will be added successfully. When you go to the login page, then if you give login over here, like 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then registration number, enter. So my password is 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, login. Oh sorry, it is UR16CS. Yes, you can see that it is also popping up a message like update password over here, and then if I click on this, it will directly take you to the shopping page. So once if you forget password, then just simply give this UR16CS140 and give your new password over here, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then reset it. Password is changed successfully, so go to login page, it will take you back to the login page. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching.